Look, if your indoor cat is starting to look a bit more like a loaf of bread than a predator, you aren't alone. I've spent the last few months testing different options to find the best wet cat food for overweight indoor cats, because most diet foods just end up being rejected. I bought these 5 options to see which ones actually help with weight and digestion.
Product number 1. Blue Buffalo True Solutions Blissful Belly. When I first cracked open a can of Blissful Belly, I noticed right away that it's a soft, smooth pate, not that weird rubbery stuff you see in cheaper brands. Holding the 3-ounce can, it feels like the right portion size for an indoor cat that needs to stop overeating. The first thing I checked was the ingredient list, and I love that real chicken is the very first thing listed. During my testing, I noticed this didn't just sit in the bowl, my cat actually went for it. The real benefit here is the prebiotic fiber. If your overweight cat has a sensitive stomach or bathroom issues from a slow metabolism, this helps everything move along properly. It's got no corn or wheat, which is huge for cutting out empty calories that make indoor cats gain weight. I didn't see any of that nasty bloating after mealtime either. The verdict: if your cat is struggling with both weight and a touchy stomach, this is the one to grab. It's high protein, but gentle on the gut. Since we're talking about managing weight, sometimes you need a crunchy option to mix things up, which brings me to a classic.
Product number 2. Fancy Feast Dry Food with Ocean Fish and Salmon. Now, I know we're looking for the best wet options, but I had to see how this Fancy Feast dry food held up as a topper. When I opened the 3-pound bag, the smell of fish was actually pretty strong, which is exactly what you want to get a picky, lazy cat moving toward the bowl. The kibble pieces are small, crunchy morsels that are easy for cats to chew. What I found while using this is that it works great for portion control if you use it sparingly. It's got essential vitamins and minerals, and the crunch factor seems to satisfy that snack craving my cats get between wet meals. However, keep an eye on the rice and corn gluten in the ingredients. If you're strictly counting carbs for a heavy cat, you'll want to measure this out exactly. It's a very delight-focused food, meaning they'll definitely eat it. The verdict? This is a solid, budget-friendly choice for kittens, or as a small, crunchy treat for adults, but watch the portions. Speaking of specialized needs, I wanted to see how a high-protein wet formula handled the older, less active crowd.
Product number 3. Purina Pro Plan High Protein Senior 11+. I picked up a massive 48-pack of these 3-ounce pull-top cans because honestly, senior cats are the hardest to keep at a healthy weight. When I pulled the tab, the texture was a dense, rich pate of chicken and beef. It's got a bit of moisture to it, which is great because older, overweight cats usually don't drink enough water. The performance here is all about the lean muscle factor. As cats get older and move less, they lose muscle and gain fat. This formula is packed with antioxidants and taurine. I noticed that even though it's a senior food, it's not loaded with fillers. It's highly digestible, so I felt like my cat was actually getting the nutrients instead of just packing on bulk. It's produced in Purina-owned facilities, which gives me a bit more peace of mind regarding quality control. The verdict? If you have an older cat that's getting a bit chunky but losing muscle tone, this is the perfect balance of high protein and senior support. If your cat prefers a bit of garden flavor in their crunch though, I tried something a little different.
Product number 4. Fancy Feast Dry with Garden Greens Accents. This 7-pound bag felt substantial, and the garden greens accents are what caught my eye. When I poured it out, I could actually see the different shapes and colors, including the spinach and parsley flakes. It looks a bit more interesting than your standard brown kibble. The real benefit I saw here was the variety. Sometimes overweight cats get bored and beg for treats just because they're tired of their bland diet food. The accents of greens, evident lakes of ocean fish and salmon kept my cats interested without me having to overfeed them. It's labeled as complete and balanced, so it hits all the nutritional marks for kittens and adults. I liked that the bag is large enough to last a while, making it a convenient backup for the wet food routine. The verdict? This is the best pick for owners who want to provide some variety and gourmet flair without spending a fortune on specialty boutique brands. Finally, I checked out the smaller bag version of the fish formula to see if the freshness held up better.
Product number 5. Fancy Feast Ocean Fish and Salmon 16-ounce bags. I actually preferred this 16-ounce bag setup over the giant bags. When I opened a fresh bag, the kibble felt crispier and smelled fresher than the bottom of a 7-pound bag. Holding the smaller bag is just easier for daily pouring too.
It's the same recipe as the other fish and salmon variety, featuring real ocean fish. In my testing, the smaller packaging helped with flavor fatigue. Because the bag stays fresh until it's gone, the cats didn't lose interest halfway through. It's a crunchy morsel style that's baked, giving it a texture that seems to help a bit with dental plaque while they eat. While it's not a weight loss formula by name, the high-quality ingredients mean you can feed a bit less and still satisfy their hunger. The verdict? Go with the 16-ounce multi-pack if you want to keep the food as fresh as possible for a cat that is picky about texture.